Hello and welcome, this is the enthusiast, and today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra specifications, design and leaks. Meanwhile, make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I'm uploading daily tech videos. And also, turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 20 likes. So, smash that like button, and with all that being said, let's continue with the topics. Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy S21 series will be unveiled on January 14th, and the devices are expected to go on sale in India on January 29th. Global retail availability is expected around January 22nd in 2021. Samsung has opened pre-order reservations for the Galaxy S21 series in the US weeks ahead of the official announcement. If you want to be one of the first people in the region to get your hands on the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you can now register for a pre-order notification in the Samsung Shop app. Once you've registered, Samsung will notify you as soon as devices are available for pre-order. All users who pre-order a Galaxy S21 series device via the app will receive $60 in instant credits towards accessories for their new device. Much like the previous generation, the Galaxy S20 series, the Galaxy S21 series will also have 3 devices at launch. There will be the regular Galaxy S21, followed by the Galaxy S21 Plus, and topping off with the premium flagship Galaxy S21 Ultra. If you want an updated flagship from Samsung, the regular variant is the choice for you, as it will feature an updated processor with a relatively modest package. It's going to be the most accessible way to get a new Galaxy 2021 flagship in the first half of the year without abusing your wallet. The Galaxy S21 Plus will be the middle child in the lineup and the option that would make sense for most people. It will pack in most of the needed features at a relatively not obscene price tag, giving users the sweet medium. The Galaxy S21 Ultra will obviously be the overkill option. It would make sense for users who want the absolute best within conventional smartphone realms and do not intend to flinch from spending top dollar for it. It will be the most premium and feature-packed device from the South Korean company, outside of foldables and luxury special editions, so it's the phone to get for those looking to make a statement while still holding something recognizable as a smartphone. The top-of-the-line Galaxy S21 Ultra will also feature a similar camera island design, but it will be much larger than the camera island on the other 2 variants. This is due to the fact that it will include a total of 4 camera sensors. Unlike the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus, the Galaxy S21 Ultra will feature a curved display. The baseline for performance is set with all 3 of the flagships in this series coming with the top-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 in the USA and selected other regions, and with the Exynos 2100 internationally. There should be plenty of RAM and storage on board, though micro SD card expansion is not yet known. The rear and front camera setup remains the same on the regular and Plus variant, while the Ultra gets a complete overhaul. Between the regular and Plus variant, the differentiating factor would be slightly larger size and the difference in plastic back and glass back. The camera setup on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is expected to be significantly better with a second-gen 108 megapixel primary camera, the same 12 megapixel wide-angle camera as the other 2 variants, a 3x telephoto sensor and a 10x optical super telephoto sensor. The new telephoto sensors will feature 130% larger pixels and dual pixel autofocus, and with the 10% telephoto sensor, Samsung will be reviving its 100x space zoom feature. As per the last leak, all 3 devices in the Galaxy S21 lineup will offer 8K video capture capability at 30 frames per second and 4K video capture at 50 frames per second. The devices will be able to capture full HD video at 240 frames per second. The leaks further reveals that all three devices will feature stereo speakers, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6, IP68 dust and water resistance. However, only the top of the line model will offer extras like S Pen support. Thanks for watching today's video. All article sources are in video description. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, turn on notifications, and goal for today's video is to reach 20 likes. So, smash that like button and comment down below what is your opinion on today's topics. And with all that being said, I see you all in the next video. Peace.